Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. Today, guys, this video is sponsored by Alipearl, and we are styling a V-part wig today, guys. I'm so excited that I can finally take part in these V-part wig trends because your girl has a little bit of length. Hey. So Alipearl sent over a 22-inch kinky straight V-part wig, and it's 180% in density, and you know they always throw in the goodies in the bag. So we have an edge brush, eyelashes, a satin scarf, and an elastic band. So to prep my hair, I am just using some heat protector spray. This one is from Tresemme. It smells really good. It smells so sweet. I think that's the main reason why I love it. I'm not even sure if it's effective, but it smells so good. So I'm just blow drying my hair, especially at the roots where it's a little bit thick. I had a relaxer done a couple weeks ago. However, I don't think I did it properly because my hair is still thick at the roots. So I'm just trying to make sure it's blow dried well so that the leave out can be a little bit smooth, like smooth as possible, and so that the braid down can be an easy process. So as you guys can see here, I'm giving myself some sloppy braids. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not perfect because it's going to be under the wig. Just want to make sure that I don't have all the bulk under the U-part wig. There's already some bulk because it's a kinky straight hair. So it has the volume, it has texture. So we don't want to add too much with my hair being so bulky underneath. So I'm just throwing in as little, like the least amount of braids as possible. As far as I know, these used to be called U-part wigs, but they're presenting them as V-part wigs. I think because the leave out portion is really skinny. So I'm so happy that I can have one that's ready made. As you guys will see, it has like the perfect amount of clips and support, so that wig isn't going anywhere. It's an easy on-the-go wig, especially if your hair is already braided down and you have your leave out prepared. You can take that off, go to sleep, wake up, put it back on. It's so convenient. So I'm just running the hot comb through my leave out. I just want to make sure that it's smooth and everything blends when I put the wig on. And this hot comb is from Elite Units. And I'm just running the flat iron through it afterwards. As you guys can see, I definitely need a trim, and I did do that later on that day. All right, guys, so I'm just separating the wig by cutting the top here. As you guys can see already, there are 4 clips at the top, so 2 on each side for security. And also there are 2 clips on the sides, at the bottom sides, and at the very back. So one thing I really love about this wig actually is that it has a nice deep part. So it's less wiggy and it can give you like a more of a sew-in look. So the big combs that are over the ear are perfect, especially to put into my braids, and it adds so much more security. And when I tell you guys this wig isn't going anywhere, it gives you such good security. I mean, what more could you ask for? And then there's one at the back to go into the braids at the back. It fits so nice and snug. This is something I would wear like if I wasn't prepared, like, and I had somewhere to go last minute. I would just braid my hair back and leave my middle part out and blend it right through. Or if I'm looking crazy and I need to like go to Walmart, go to the store, and I just want to look presentable, I would definitely throw this wig on. Guys, I couldn't believe how quickly I was actually finished styling this wig. It was honestly about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit less. And I'm of course not including the braid up. At this point, I'm just running the flat iron through it to see if the flat iron affects the texture of the wig. I don't know if my flat iron wasn't hot enough, but it wasn't affecting the texture. The kinks were still there. And I'm also using the flat iron to blend my hair with the wig, of course. Now guys, I'm feeling really cute. I'm really excited because I'm like, listen, this style took 2 minutes essentially, and this is going to be one of my grab and goes. And I love the volume. Did I mention how soft this wig is? Texture is really light and soft. Don't make the volume and the kinkiness fool you. It is fluffy and nice. So I'm using my T3 curling iron, just putting some curls in there to see if we can style it differently. And yes, this T3 is a bigger size. I believe it's about 1.5 inch. So I'm getting like a nice loose wave here. The hair definitely curls. It curls well. Obviously, if I had a smaller curling iron, maybe some holding spray and smaller pieces, I would get a different curl. But this is definitely giving like a nice loose curl. And you know, it was easy, definitely easy to work with. Another option with this unit, of course, I can style this on a mannequin head, so I can take the wig off, take my time and style it off of my head just to make sure that I get every single strand of hair. For the longest time, I've wanted a sew-in with leave-out, but after getting this unit, I'm just realizing how unnecessary that is, especially as a person that loves to change their hair so often. This is definitely like a really good wig to kind of switch it up and to kind of have that look, but be able to take it off the very next day if necessary. So this is the end of the video, guys. I'm just finishing up my baby hairs. Not too heavy, something really light and natural swooped into my hair. I just want to thank Alipearl for sponsoring this video. If you guys want details to this unit, check out my description box below. I will leave the link and the details to this unit. If you guys are interested, check out Alipearl. Again, thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.